In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting in Tableau. This is a handy skill to enhance your data visualizations, allowing you to reveal patterns or insights more effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to use color to highlight significant trends and make your data more comprehensible. To start, ensure that you have Tableau open on your desktop or laptop. If you haven't launched the application yet, go ahead and do so. Once Tableau is up and running, the next step is to open the worksheet that you will be working on. If you already have your data set loaded, fantastic. If not, make sure you have access to the appropriate data so you can follow along. Now, let's dive into creating a new worksheet. This is where you will build your visualization. Add your desired dimension or dimensions to the rows and columns shelves. For instance, if you're working with sales data, you might place product category in the rows and region in the columns. This sets the stage for how your data will be laid out visually. Next, you'll want to bring in a measure to provide a quantitative context. Drag a measure such as sales or profit to the color shelf on the marks card. This is a pivotal step because the measure you choose here will determine which data points are highlighted in your visualization. Once your measure is in place, you'll see how it starts to mold your data's appearance on your screen. Now let's refine these colors. Click on the color shelf to find the option Edit Colors. This opens a gateway to customizing how values within your data are displayed via color. Here, you have the flexibility to choose between different palettes. Select either a diverging palette, like red-green diverging, or a sequential palette, depending on what best suits your data's narrative. Diverging palettes are excellent for highlighting a midpoint, such as 0, while sequential palettes are ideal for showing gradual changes. To further tune your visualization, adjust the color range by setting the minimum, maximum, and center points to values that best represent your data's spread. This step is crucial for accurately portraying the variations and nuances in your data. For example, if your sales data ranges from negative values to high positive figures, setting a thoughtful color range will help in distinguishing between losses and gains promptly. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully applied conditional formatting in Tableau, allowing your visualization to speak volumes through subtle color cues. This technique not only makes your data more visually appealing, but also much easier to interpret for decision-making. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy analyzing!